Hello, this is Paul from permaculturedesign.ie, a website about permaculture design based in Ireland, where you find information on design, drone mapping, orchard care, and courses related to permaculture. So this is a tutorial about mapping. We don't always need the drone to make good maps. If there's good satellite imagery, you can make good maps with good base maps with Google Earth. So if you have Google Earth, launch it. If you don't have Google Earth, search for it online. Google Earth Pro is now free for everyone. You just need to download the version for whatever you're using. So for me, it's desktop. Click download. I already have it downloaded. So I'm going to navigate to my programs, launch Google Earth Pro. So up here, click the address of the site you want to map. I'm going to do a big garden in Dublin, or on Park. It zooms into where you want to go. We're going to do the president's backyard. Um, Currently, it's mostly a big lawn. We're going to turn it into a permaculture sustainability site. So click there to get rid of the pin. Zoom to where you want to go. And before you map, click View, Reset, Tilt and Compass. Now you've got a straight down image of your site. That's View, Compass. Yeah. So go to Print, and you've got options here of what you want to put in. We want the title block. We don't want the legend for the basement. We want scale. We want the compass. This is full color, saturated. This is black and white. Desaturated is good, I think. You'll use less ink. Okay, page setup. Usually A4, could be A3. It's all fine. And edit map. Culture. And use this as your title block. So title date on by location. Uh, Great. Move that down here. Move the scale bar to the center. See Daisy. And drag. You can drag the north arrow up top. Great. So you can save PDF. Done it already. Move that. Open up your folder. You'll have your base map saved. There it is. So you can print that on your A4 printer, and you have your permaculture base map made. Thank you.